which I absolutely love. I've got it in 2 colours. I did it myself, made it myself. Quite impressed. Hello everyone and welcome back. So next week is shop update week. So I have a couple of things I wanted to run by you guys and maybe you can help me decide. So for the shop update, I've obviously got more D&D inspired hats going in, but I have this hat, which I absolutely love. I've got it in 2 colours. I did it myself, made it myself. Quite impressed. I really like the feathers and the band and the accessories, but I cannot decide what to put on it. It's going to be a burn design, but I just can't decide. Should I do maybe mandalas? I did have a thought of maybe doing mushrooms. I don't have any mushroom hats going out in this shop update yet, but there's always room for mushrooms or flowers. I can't make my mind up. So maybe you guys can help. Let me know in the comments what you think should go on this hat for the shop update, because it's such a cool hat and I don't want to send it out without anything on it, because then it's not got a really cool design designed by moi, or maybe even by you and me, which would be really cool. So yeah, so there's this one. Love it, but not finished. This one is very cool. Look at that. It's got part of a rose, most of a rose in the middle, and then roses and leaves and petals. But again, I haven't done anything on the underneath. Does it need something on the underneath? Not everybody likes designs on the underneath. I do, which makes me sway more towards having it on the underneath. So then you've always got the cool design from the back, but then, you know, if you're taking selfies, you'd want a design on the front, right? Would you? I would. So this one, it hasn't got a band. I might add a design on the other side, but I'm not sure. Again, please help me. All help is very much appreciated at the moment, because I'm not very good at making my mind up. So we've got this one. I have another hat. Here it is. And we have brown with pretty flowers, and also flowers on the underneath. So I did this one with flowers to the right side of the hat and in the middle, but I did them to the left side on the underneath which I thought was really cute. So this one as well will be in the shop update. This one is actually finished. You know, I'm doing really well at maybe not finishing hats at the moment, which sounds really bad, but it's just because I'm so busy. I've been doing more vinyl ones. These ones usually sell over on TikTok. And also, we went away at the weekend to the tall ships. I don't know if you've heard about the tall ships, but they were in Aberdeen. Very tall sail ships, very cool. And I went to Hobbycraft and I found this tiny pumpkin, which is supposed to be a decoration. But I was like, now that would be a really cool pin cushion. So I kept it as a pin cushion and I'm quite chuffed with it. And I keep seeing it at the corner of my eye when I'm working and I went, oh, look at that little pumpkin. So it's really cool. So I would like to have 4 hats in the shop update. This one, this one, this one, and another one. So this could be flowers or mandalas, and then I could do another mushroom one. Or this could be mushrooms and the other one could be mandalas. I'm not sure. I really do need some help deciding because my brain doesn't like to decide things at the moment. So yeah, I'd like 4. Last shop update I did 4, and the only one that is left is this one, which is very beautiful, because this one just sold. This one sold earlier on today, so it's going off to its new home tomorrow. So I only have 1 left from the last shop update. Because I hand make all of the hats and I'm really busy with a million other things, running a business and a YouTube channel and the hats on TikTok and stuff like that. Sometimes I only get, well, I do aim to get about 4 hats out for a shop update. But we do obviously have the vinyl hats that go in the shop update as well. So that is the plan for this week's shop update. Maybe I could squeeze another couple of hats in. I don't know. But this shop update is on the 31st this month at 6 p.m. if you're interested in any of the hats. If you'd like to help decide the design for the hat, that would be really cool. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, I very much appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't get to stand and speak to myself all day. No, I'm joking. Speaking of you guys, of course. Okay, so subscribe if you would like to. Also, I'm not forcing you, but please do give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you'd like to help decide the next design. So, thanks guys. I'll see you next week.